So I used to watch 365 days series, and it really motivates and helps how we can plan our all the CPA exams, right, to complete it in a timely manner and also with a right set of guidance. There was a time when we were looking at those 365 day series, and today we are one of them. So I think it actually feels good to be part of Miles' journey as well.
बोलो कहाँ से आएगा फिर ऐसा इंस्पिरेशन with Miles education knowledge is the weapon बोलो कहाँ से आएगा फिर ऐसा इंस्पिरेशन with Miles education knowledge is the weapon.
Hi, I'm Vivek Pratap Singh, a qualified chartered accountant from India and England, and I recently cleared my US CPA. I'm based out of Gurgaon, and I started off my career with Deloitte and EY, and later on I moved to industry. So I've been working with PepsiCo India as a senior manager in US GAAP reporting. So I did like a CA 9 years back, and then I started off with CA from UK and CPA from USA. And the reason was, obviously the career progression, and as India is also moving towards the global standard, so it was really important for me to get this US CPA and CA from England as well. If you'll see my journey, it ranges right from 11 to 12 months. So, and doing this with a job, I feel it's a bit challenging. And but with the right set of planning and focus, I feel it's achievable as well. Right from the starting, on day one, I prepared a game plan, and I feel the sequence of giving the exam, you can start off with the FAR, because that's where you get a better clarity around the financial statements, and then comes the audit part, because once you are done with the FAR subject, you actually can correlate what needs to get audited, right? And then obviously your PEC will follow, and RED, US taxation, it's altogether a different set of exams, so you can keep it in the last. So that's what I had adopted, and it really worked for me, all the exams in the first attempt. I think LMS of Miles is really exhaustive in terms of your exam need. So a book, videos, and LMS, right? It actually makes 100% of your content. And if there are any amendments or changes, like in case of US tax, or in case of let's say BEC or audit, right? So a teacher keep on updating the changes, short of videos as an add-on into LMS. So that even if you're not attending the classes, you are pretty much aware about what has changed and what is relevant from an exam standpoint. And I think mock test or the practice exam, that should be tested before you go for the exam, because it actually gives you a simulation of how to attempt the questions in the exam, and it's really in the same way you'll get an exam. So that really help you. Yeah. I followed the Miles game plan and cleared my CPA exams within 12 months. I was like, oh wow. I mean, I cleared it, right? So my family, friends, and my wife, they were all happy to see that, attaining a qualification after such a long time. So it was good, and everybody was happy at home. CPA matlab Miles.